Hello everyone. Welcome to this guide on how to apply to the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, also known as MIT, one of the top universities in the world, located in the United States. If you dream of studying at MIT, this video will walk you through the complete application process along with important tips and tricks. Let's get started. First, you need to understand that MIT has a highly competitive admission process. They look for students who are not only academically strong but also creative, innovative, and passionate about learning. Step 1. Choose your program. MIT offers undergraduate and graduate programs in fields like engineering, computer science, business, physics, and more. Visit the official MIT website and carefully choose the program that matches your interest. Step 2. Check eligibility requirements. For undergraduate programs, you must complete high school or equivalent education. For graduate programs, you need a relevant bachelor's degree. International students must also prove English proficiency through exams like TOEFL or IELTS. Step 3. Prepare required documents. You will need academic transcripts, English test scores, TOEFL and IELTS, SAT or ACT scores for undergraduate, if required, letters of recommendation, statement of purpose or personal essays. Make sure all documents are accurate and well prepared. Step 4. Create an online application. MIT has its own application portal. You need to create an account and fill out the application form carefully. For undergraduate students, you will apply through the MIT application portal. For graduate students, applications are submitted through individual department websites. Step 5. Submit application before deadline. Deadlines are very important. For undergraduate, early action, November. Regular action, January. Always apply early to increase your chances. Step 6. Attend interview, if required. Some applicants may be invited for an interview. This is your chance to show your personality, passion, and communication skills. Step 7. Wait for decision. After submitting your application, wait for the admission decision. If selected, you will receive an offer letter. Here are important tips and tricks. 1. Focus on strong academic performance. 2. Build extracurricular activities like projects, competitions, or volunteering. 3. Write a powerful and unique personal essay. 4. Show your passion for innovation and problem solving. 5. Apply early and double-check all documents. 6. Practice English speaking for interviews. Final words. Getting into MIT is not easy, but it is possible with hard work, dedication, and proper planning. Start preparing early, stay focused, and never give up on your dream. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your application.